Okay, so now I hope the previous video wasn't too confusing. Please give me your feedback. I've never done video tutorials before, so it will really help, and I'll definitely make a better one with your feedback. So the last thing to add will be the reset button. How do we do that? How do we add UI to our Unity app? We're gonna right click on the hierarchy panel and we're gonna create a UI, and maybe we'll just have I don't know, create a canvas first. So you'll notice there's a canvas created as well as an event system. Hang on. Sorry. Okay, and under your canvas you want to change UI scale mode to constant pixel size, from constant pixel size to scale with screen size, so your button won't be it won't be too small depending on your screen. So you can kind of test the effect of having both. Okay, now if you double click this, sorry, you'll see your canvas. Maybe I'll just view it from this direction. This is your canvas, right? So I'm gonna add in a button, sorry, a UI button. Yeah, here it is, and it looks kind of ugly. It's okay, you can just create your own source image by adding a sprite, etc. Go check out Unity tutorials for that. I'm gonna just change the word here to reset, and I'm gonna place my button first. So if you click on button and you come here, you can see shift. If holding shift sets the pivot and holding alt sets the position. So I'm gonna hold alt and just put it sorry, I'm gonna hold shift and then put my sort of pivot for the button here at this part of the button, the bottom right, and then I'm gonna hold alt and then I'm gonna put it at the bottom here. So if you look here, it's too small, so I'm just gonna scale it, maybe double the size, and 60. Yeah, you can just play around with the size, and maybe just, oh wow. Okay, yeah, whatever. So this is how you kind of create the UI, or also you can WER, could use W, same principles appear, the same principles apply. You can just move it around for a padding, and as you can see, when you move it, your values change as well, so you can actually like manually input a value. Okay, so just for completion's sake, now that you know how to create buttons, there's also other UI stuff you can add. You can play around with this. I'm gonna go to my script, this one, and I'm gonna create a reset function. So I'm just gonna call it public void on reset code. So as you can see, my player, I attached this to my player parent, right? So my player parent is kind of acting as like the game manager in this case. So transform dot position is equals to start position. So I'm just bringing my player parent back to the start position, and at end will be false, and finally make sure that any animation that's playing gets cut off so your cube doesn't move and is idle. Okay, so Control S to save, and then we go back to here, and we're gonna check our player parent. Oh right, sorry. We're gonna go into our button, and over here we're gonna click. So this is where you add a function. Because I attached the script to my player parent, I'm gonna drag the player parent and just put it here, and then now you'll see virtual button, the script name, and you should see your function on reset clicked because it's a public function. Okay, so that should be all. Yeah, so you can run it and test it now. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, to text me if you have my number, or leave a comment, and I'll definitely do my best to make things clearer for you if it's not clear now. So thanks.